this is really living.
The Festival of the Lion King. We have been expecting you. We are here today to welcome you, one and all, to the Festival of the Lion King.
We are the apple that belong to our
In this island, we welcome you. We are behind the scenes to trouble with Simba and his friends throughout the land for this tribal celebration. Time for introductions. My name is Kiyume, and I am the leader of our group. Kiyume is Swahili for masculine and strong. What do you think? Next we have Nakoa.
Which is Swahili for good.
I think we're all set. Watch us. We'll make sure you are ready to go.
Everyone, I think I hear them coming.
Wonderful. Right on time. Now, on the count of 3, let's use those animal sounds to call them in. All together now. 1, 2, 3.
Listen. Watch, here they come.
Gonna be white.
It's time. His Majesty, the Lion King.
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all picked a very special day to visit. You see, today, we've come to town for a big celebration, and you, my friends, are invited to join in the fun.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get ready to clap your paws, stomp your knees, and rumble your bellies as we welcome you to the Festival of the Lion King. Let the procession begin.
Timo's here. The ship can't be hit. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down.
Hey, wait, buddy.
I'm supposed to be center stage. Who's driving this thing?
All right, giraffes, you're first. On the count of 3, let's hear that sound. 1, 2, 3.
Wow, I'm in the sheep section.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king.
Hello? Hello? Look at me! I'm in a parade! Hey, tumble monkeys! Walk me over by the warthog section!
Ready, warthogs, it's your turn. We're going to do some snort on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
show Simba what it is. 1, 2, 3.
Yep, it's the lion section, all right. Hey, guys, it looks like we're all here. Let's go!
Maestro, if you please.
Who that?
Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. Hey, Popo, what are you doing over there? I'm in the warthog section. Besides, my little legs can't make it down off this float. Oh, gee, that's too bad. Guess I gotta do a solo. Hakuna Matata! What's going on here? What are you primates doing? Bad monkeys! Bad monkeys! Well, this is sorry. No, not you, but these monkeys. They're ruining my big number. But they're so cute. At the bottom of the evolutionary ladder, let's hear it for the Tumble Monkeys!
just to be with you. And can you feel the love tonight? The evening breeze, all for once in perfect harmony with all its living things. And love is where we
All right, Timon, let's take it from the top.
Thank you. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight.
Someone can say, who won?
I think it's pretty clear. The giraffes and the elephants won.
There, it's pretty clear, all right, pretty clear. The lions and the warthogs won!
You know what I It's no worries for the rest of your days. It's a rebel philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
For the crew of the century, we prepare for the murderous time. But dangerous planning that's not satisfied. The king of the Nile, the super horror, the king of this field, respect the sovereign, I see who die. That's why King and Christians are left. We
took a broken sea, the singing hurt on the wind. It's gonna be so awesome pain. Oh, I just can't wait to begin. Oh, I just can't wait to begin. I just can't wait to begin. Oh, oh, oh.
It's the circle of life.
What's it sound like?
Bird.
You hear a bird?
They're scary.
Scary?
Yeah.
No. Well, here we are again. Back in the Animal Kingdom. Just went on Avatar for the second time and it gets better every time. So now where are we going, Quinn?
I'm going the safari.
Huh?
Going on the safari.
The safari. And what animal do you want to see most?
The crocodile.
The crocodile. What does the crocodile do?
Nah.
Whoa! Snap, snap, snap.
That's a Florida Gators thing. We don't do that.
Yeah, we don't do that. Go Vols. Anyways.
See ya to Gator.
See ya to Gator.
Yeah.
See you later, alligator. After a while. Crocodile. Anyways, so yeah, we are gonna do one more thing here in Animal Kingdom and then we're gonna take off and actually hop over to Epcot. It's open until 11 tonight and we wanted to get there one more time. Maybe do a couple of rides, maybe hit up a few of the food and wine areas that we didn't get to do yet, like some of the craft brewing area, and a couple other things. So I doubt we'll stay that late, but at least gives us one last chance to check it out. We took a little break this afternoon so that we have some energy to do this. So yeah, and Wellesley's taking his nap right now back there somewhere. Yeah. Have you got anything to add?
It's a great day.
Bye.
What?
Bye.
Okay, guess that's it. One thing that we wanted to add was we just got off Flight of Passage like we said, and we were gonna head out to go to Epcot, but Quinn has been mentioning that he wants to do the safari, which we did that yesterday.
What day?
Yesterday morning, yeah.
I think so, yeah.
And it was great, but he's been mentioning that he wants to do it again, and we thought, oh, we'll see. I think a 25-minute wait, and we're like, nah, it's kind of long. We don't know if we want to hang around that long. We're pretty spoiled with like 10 minutes or less fast passes or like 10-minute or less lines. We're kind of line snobs, if you will. But yeah, our trusty travel agent here.
That's me.
Took care of us.
So really, and this is like totally true, just keep refreshing over
Refreshing what?
and over and over your fast pass. So if you're looking for a fast pass for the ride that you want, and you don't see any there,
on the My Disney Experience
on the My Disney Experience app, just refresh and refresh and refresh and refresh. I've probably done it about 3 different times this trip where I've just sat there and constantly refreshed, and sure enough, we got the fast pass we wanted, you know, for the time we wanted. So people are constantly dropping them.
Yeah, it was like 5:55 and we got a fast pass for Safari at 6:15. So, you know, just right now in real time, someone dropped their fast pass. And we were able to pick up 6 of them too.
Yeah, so don't give up. You know, you may find something that you want.
Yeah, and another thing is that so Quinn had a fast pass for Flight of Passage, and so did Chad's mom, and neither of them used it. Neither of them used their fast pass, so we canceled them, and a couple people cleaned up and picked up 2 Avatar fast passes. So yeah, always check the app. What we got here?
Showtime, it's Camplota.
Move up, move up, move up, move up, move up, move up right here. All right. Kache, come on. Kache, come on. Kache, come on. Eki bokaji. Eki bokaji. Bokaji. Hakuna. Aya.
See it. Why don't you give Daddy a smile?